Welcome to this presentation highlighting relationships, HSO's powerful solution providing insight into your organization's interactions with current and potential clients. Relationships by HSO manages your connections with powerful automation, including creation and update of contact data, discovery of new and existing relationships, relationship scoring and interaction monitoring, and advanced analysis and business intelligence. So now let's take a look at how relationships changes the paradigm. I spent 30 years as a developer, database designer, and systems architect. Contact data was always a problem. The biggest challenges include, first, the nature of contact data itself. It is fluid and very subjective. Different users will have different data for the same contact, and that data can change more frequently. Yet this is where we focus. Also, older enterprise relationships management systems often require significant time and user effort to protect users' private data in Outlook. But by far the biggest challenge is the way we rely on users to maintain the data, asking them to create new contacts, updating the existing contacts, and telling us who they know and how well they know them. Decades of experience tells us that this approach does not work very well. So to get a different result, we must take a different approach. Relationships 360 does just that. Instead of focusing on the contact level, we focus on the company level. You don't do business with contacts, you do business with companies. Contacts are the conduit through which you do that business, but that's the level that changes the most. With relationships, instead of the system gathering all company information, you tell the system what companies you are interested in tracking. This prevents your system from gathering unneeded information that requires your users to sift through the noise. We call these preferred companies. To focus on this level, we needed a way to give each company a universal identifier. In today's modern internet age, we have that identifier, domain name. Using domain name provides the ability to do the automation needed. Let's highlight some examples using these preferred companies. Employee 1 creates a new contact in Outlook. Notice the email address domain abc.com. Since this contact does not exist in CRM and the email address is a preferred domain, relationships will create a new contact in CRM, and since we know the employee that created the contact, the system will automatically create a relationship between the employee and the contact. All the employee did was the normal act of adding a contact to their Outlook contacts list. There was no extra effort, no settings to change, no buttons to click, and no extra responses needed. However, this only gathers so much data. Many users do not add contacts to Outlook because the type ahead feature on the email form works so well. To gather contact data not created in Outlook, we use our signature scanning technology. Signature scanning reads the header and signature information on incoming emails, ignoring the body and all other content, and creates new contacts. Since we know the employees and contacts on the email, the system will create new relationships. In this instance, the employee did nothing at all to capture this new contact information. The system automatically detected the interaction and created the new contact. With signature scanning, relationships can also detect changes in existing contacts in your system, keeping the contact data as current as possible. In our example, existing contact Chandra Phillips has a job title of Senior Manager. Email signature scanning detected a new job title from the signature of her latest email. Now relationships will update the contact automatically. Once again, no action was required by the employee. So by simply changing the focus, relationships can achieve automation that increases your data integrity and quality while lowering your cost of ownership. Now let's take a look at the range of functionality in relationships. The first step is to create an initial list of the preferred domains that relationships will use to focus the automated processing. To help you create this list, we provide you with the Domains Analysis Report. This report provides domain traffic information by analyzing email and contact data from your Exchange and CRM systems. From this report, you select the initial list of preferred domains to begin relationships processing. Once the preferred domains are loaded, relationships processes are started providing functionality that includes contact synchronization. Relationships synchronizes contacts between CRM and each participant's Exchange contacts list. Participants here refers to employees set to have their Exchange data scanned and analyzed for relationships. Email processing. By using our signature scanning technology, email processing gathers information that contact synchronization could not. Potential companies. Relationships not only automates processing on your preferred domains, but it also looks for potential new companies and domains that you may want to add to your system. You can promote these potential items as live companies and preferred domains using the Potentials dashboard. The system can also be configured to automatically promote these potential items based on traffic level thresholds you can configure. These functionalities in relationships raise the integrity and quality of your data while lowering your cost of ownership through automation. Relationships is constantly monitoring the interactions between employee participants and contacts in CRM. This interactions data allows relationships to provide detailed scoring of the employee contact relationships. Now, while automation does most of the work, there are times where contact data needs administrative attention. We provide dashboards, tools, and utilities to surface data that needs attention and provides the ability to make changes as quickly as possible. Relationships has the functionality and tools that bring intelligence to your company's connections for new and prospective clients. We understand that when we mention integration with Exchange, your team sits up and takes notice due to concerns about security, a healthy concern in today's connected world. You work diligently to keep your systems and data secured. HSO Relationships honors that effort, setting us apart from other products. All relationships functionality works entirely inside your company's information security barrier. Relationships does not use any outside web services or systems, does not intercept or journal Exchange traffic. All processing takes place inside your tenant, and all data is stored in your Dataverse as standard CRM data. Your data stays with you. 8. As you have seen, relationships brings a great deal to the table. Better data quality, better data integrity, ongoing relationship intelligence, increased automation, and all in a secure environment. Relationships by HSO, information, integrity, and intelligence. Thank you for viewing Relationships by HSO. Check out our demonstration videos to see relationships functionality. To find out how you can get relationships for your company, please contact your HSO account representative.